Aren't you glad we brought you your winter hat back? Killing it, preemptive. Okay, so we're all crazy. We're at Picnic Island Disc Golf Course, and it's like 47 here today when we got back. So we went from really nice swimsuit weather to
really not nice.
It's not.
Actually, it's not bad
It's
compared to
so windy. Yeah, but
well,
I
my
live
home,
in
not
Florida,
your home. Yeah.
so.
She lives in Florida, so like she's so cool.
So look at this wind whipping through here. That's the ocean. That's the bay right there. Sorry, Bobby. Tyler grabbed his sweatshirts and his hats out of his RV for everybody so we can all be not so frozen. We're gonna play a little bit of casual golf, and then we have an event later today too.
I just know
Should be fun.
Disc golf course sign
Should get your disc back?
are here, and I think we
All
should-
of them.
Garrett's first throw.
Left-handed. It's left-handed.
Why?
I can't throw with this one.
Bob golfing. The whole crew out here throwing frisbees. Zach, run it!
Yes! Don't hit! Yes!
Oh! Dang, that was close.
Sign goes this way.
You having fun, Ava?
Yeah, I know you have a fancy new phone.
I do have the fancy new phone. Just because Bobby didn't, so I wanted to one-up him. Pro tips from Zach Melton to Bobby Brown. What a good teacher! Perfect. No. It disappeared? Wrong game. We're playing disc golf.
Word number 6!
Word number 6! Word number 6!
I'm taking a photo.
I'm not taking a photo.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Chill. This isn't the entire crew, but it's a big part of it. Okay, other than our little adventure on the island, whatever island it was we went to, now we are at our first event. I can't get too close because there's a ton of music and you can't really hear what I'm saying. So let me flip this camera around and show you how many people showed up for our first event. Look at all these people, and that's not even everybody. There's plenty of people that already checked in and they're warming up. We're so excited to be here.
Favorite people in the world. We got Eric Oakley and Tina Oakley here today. It's absolutely awesome. My favorite disc golf couple. Phenomenal. Bob Ross came to play with you.
Yeah, Bob!
Zach Melton is in the house.
Woo!
Yeah, Tina!
And everybody's homeboy favorite right here, Mr. Calvin Heinberg. Family in the house that don't know me yet, my name is Tyler. The whole warm-up, so you gotta remember all this. You're gonna take the disc here, and you're just gonna go around your head just like this. These are called shoulder halos. You're getting your shoulders warmed up, your upper back warmed up.
Tyler, is your RV falling apart? Okay, cool.
I hope not, I just got it.
We have to hang out with him all day. I say we all just ditch Eric at some point.
Ditch Eric! Ditch Eric!
You'll find somewhere to go sleep. I'll hang it out with them.
There's gotta be. Dude, I remember
for
as a
real,
kid,
we're
I
all
went to
super
Disney World,
tired,
and
but
I
we are
walked
going to
right
Disney
underneath
today.
The
Hands
canals
in
of
the
Mickey
way,
Mouse's house
hands in
and
the
sat
camera.
down with Mickey and watched TV.
Is that better?
in his
Yeah.
house.
Now it looks like
Imagine we can do that.
looks bad.
So it was like
Woo-hoo! We are tired. We ran events and we were on a cruise and now we're going to Disney.
And now we're going to Disney.
Zach might as well be asleep. Eric is actually asleep.
It's way too cold and we're in Florida.
It's very cold. Tyler
Yes!
doesn't have propane, so there's no heat. He's trying to freeze us out. But it's gonna be really fun. We got some tickets. Thank you, Seth
Emily?
and Emily, for hooking us up. So it should be fun. No disc golf today, but we're gonna go to Disney and still rep our DDs. See?
I shouldn't take in my junior UAC.
You should, but they're gonna take it away from you. He's the worst.
You're not wrong.
Hey, Emily, it's Tyler.
We're at Disney.
We got hung up in...
After driving around the parking lot for a while, we finally arrived. It's cold. It's about 55 degrees today, I think is the high. Not great, but that's okay. So again, we're not doing any disc golf stuff, but we're all traveling with disc golfers here in Disney. So I'll give you a little bit of fun stuff. Eric's a little crazy today, so we'll see. This is so entertaining. Bobby is just so excited. He's so happy and just like looking everywhere. He's super stoked.
Now, I'm pretty sure when they flew out here, they probably looked really familiar, even if you didn't know exactly what they were, because we see these icebergs all the time in places like Hamilton.
Hey.
Believe it or not,
Our first line of the day. Slowly but surely.
Jumbo! Jumbo! Are you taking a picture of us? No, it looks like you're taking a picture of yourself. Yeah. It's really close to
Say, Jumbo!
Jumbo! We're on a ride!
Jumbo!
Jumbo!
Zach and Heather are basically sleeping right now. They'd rather.
Yep.
Good.
If you look to the left front direction, you see a bloat of hippos in the water there. That's normally what we see of hippos during the daytime. Now hippos can weigh up to 5,500 pounds. They're quite massive. And when they're in the water like that, they can actually hold their breath up to 8 minutes at a time. If you look to the left-hand side, you will see the Nile crocodiles.
Why are their mouths
If you see
open?
anyone with their mouths open, that is their way of cooling off their body. They actually open up their mouths, they can push out any hot air that might be trapped inside.
That's crazy.
That's what you're doing. You're trying to cool yourself off when you're watching TV.
So giraffes just eat for 20 hours during the day anyway, so I always expect to see them eating mostly.
Same.
Now zero and a giraffe.
Hi,
And some
buddy.
Angora cattle, which are, what do you guess it? Eating. Coming up here to the left-hand side is a very peculiar looking island. Right on top of that island is actually a whole flamboyance of flamingo. Now, flamboyance is what a group of flamingo are called. These are the greater flamingo. They are the largest of the flamingo species, but also the lightest pink. Can't even guess where they get that light pink coloring from. Shrimp! Their food is from shrimp. Now, more specifically, it is from brine shrimp. So brine shrimp contains beta carotene. It helps them turn that very light shade of pink. Flamingos are actually born gray. Up top here,
Lying down.
They're lying down.
I would say they're lying around.
Lying around.
Alright, 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 alright. I say 2 jumps to the left, 2 jumps to the right. Come on, 2 jumps to the left, 2 jumps to the right. Everybody 2 jumps to the left, 2 jumps to the right. Come on, 2 jumps to the left, 2 jumps to the right. Okay, now clap 3 times and wait. Come on, everybody clap. And wait, this is easy. Come on, clap. And wait, energy, yeah, clap. And wait, okay, now rock on, brother.
One park down, Bobby's first time.
Hey, you might wanna
It's such a fun time, Bobby. Good times. Did you have a fun time?
I saw all the animals.
So many.
Animals in the animal kingdoms.
Yeah.
They had the cheetahs and the tigers and the
There was no
lobsters.
tigers. They
No
were lions,
lobsters,
Bobby.
Bobby.
Oh, I saw a tiger. Bobby, there's
Okay,
a tiger.
so now we are going to
Yeah,
Magic
either way, their
Kingdom,
teams in Detroit, they
where there's no more animals, just princesses.
They never make playoffs.
We're gonna go meet up.
But there's gonna be a few cougars.
the tigers or the lions.
Good one, Tyler.
Cougars out here.
Cougars and princesses, and Seth. So we're piecing out of this one. Next up, Magic. Only Bobby's going on the teacup.
We'll all be on the outside doing that.
What is this haunted thing?
So
Roller coaster.
a mansion's
Terrifies
like
everybody.
a big house that's like worth a lot of money, and then the haunted part. So when somebody dies and they have unfinished business,
What? They did that so fast?
Eric.
Man, can they paint our house?
Are you cold?
I'm very cold.
How you feeling? Did you have fun
I
today?
had a blast.
Yeah, the fireworks were cool.
Fireworks are awesome.
Tyler, thanks for taking us to Disney.
You're welcome.
Now let's go to sleep.
We need to-
Are you doing a vlog?
Can't see you. All I can see is your coffee mug. Good morning. It is 6:26 in the morning. We are heading to Defuniak Springs for a Veterans for Vets event. I don't know if you've heard of it, but Dynamic Disc has put together a tournament package similar to the Trilogy Challenge, but it's called Veterans for Vets, specifically for veterans. They pick a charity to fundraise for, and there's like a big donation to that charity from the event. Bunch of losers back there. So unfortunately, we're stuck with Erika and Zach today. Real bummer. But check this out. Is it in Alabama, Eric?
Florida.
Cool. So, there's 128 pre-registered players. Stupid Zach.
Whoa.
So this will be fun. You're good.
You want to just do what we just did? Yeah.
Erika threw my frisbee on the roof, so Now we have all this help to get it down. We're on our way home now. It's only 5 o'clock, but we're pooped. Eric, how tired are you?
On a scale of 1 to tired, I'm tired.
There is a policeman behind me.
You see Erika? Back there? Back there, Erika? We went and had dinner with Zach and Heather, and Bobby and Tyler said they didn't want to hang out with us anymore, so they left and didn't have dinner with us. Their loss. But it's kind of sad because our whole adventure has come to an end, other than the fact that Erika's still here.
Totally counts.
But
Okay, cool.
our disc golf adventure with the cruise crew
Why don't we
is
just call
over.
it the cruise?
No, the cruise crew. The cruise crew.
Cruise.
Like couscous.
Terry Cruise?
There's nothing there.
Tom Cruise.
Can you tell we're so tired? So it's done. The one thing that we talked about that we would probably do differently is have all of our events before the cruise instead of after, because we were all exhausted. It didn't help that it was really cold. I mean, it was 55, 60 today, but in the shade it felt like 30. We were shivering and like couldn't see our breath, but it was close. And then, so it would just be better if we did the events beforehand, and then when we got on the cruise, we could like chill instead of be running events. And it's exhausting. I mean, there's a lot of driving involved. So kind of happy for it to be over, but also it was so much fun. And I'm definitely gonna miss Zach and Heather and Bobby and Tyler, and of course the whole cruise crew.
I think so.
But for now, we're gonna go home and take a nap.
Nap time.
Peter got him. Peter got him.